Hello and welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we do continue to see stable conditions over the open waters of the basin, but we are continuing to monitor the northern portion of the Caribbean. We do have trough systems through the general area. We also have dying frontal boundaries further towards the west. We're also seeing cloud showers and thunderstorms as a result of the presence of these systems covering most of the Greater Antilles, including Jamaica. We do also have those isolated clouds, showers and thunderstorms developing from the daytime convection across Hispaniola, Jamaica and Puerto Rico. Across Cuba, particularly in the west, we're seeing that broad area of clouds, showers and thunderstorms, a weak trough system across the general area. We're also expecting to see much of the same activity as the days progress. Now, the forecast for tonight, we are expecting generally stable conditions to be affecting sections of central and western parishes, but tonight we do have clouds lingering, especially across eastern parishes. Temperatures 25 degrees Celsius, that's the minimum we're expecting for both Kingston and Montego Bay. The winds stay the same. They are expected to be out of the north on the south coast at 5 knots and out of the east-southeast on the north coast also at 5 knots. Now, in the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy to cloudy conditions across sections of eastern parishes. Generally fair conditions exist elsewhere. And then in the afternoon, more of those isolated showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected to return mainly across inland areas and sections of northwestern parishes. The temperatures are expected to reach 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions in Morant and Kingston tomorrow. Also in Portmore, we're expecting cloudy conditions in the afternoon. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms are likely in Halfway Tree, in Spanish Town, Maype and Mandeville. Also in Santa Cruz and Black River, it's cloudy to mostly cloudy for Savannah Lamar, with a few showers and thunderstorms possible in Negril, Lucy, as well as in Montego Bay and Falmouth. We do also have cloudy conditions in the afternoon in St. Anne's Bay, also in Richmond and in Moortown, but elsewhere across inland areas, showers and thunderstorms are likely. That's in Brownstown, also in Moco, in Christiana, Grange Hill, also Duncans and in K Valley. Now, over the next few days, on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, that's what we're expecting mainly across central and western parishes and inland areas otherwise, while on Monday, we're expecting more so eastern and central parishes to be under the influence of that afternoon convection. The winds. On the north coast tomorrow, they are east-southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, while wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, we're expecting a southeasterly wind regime averaging 10 knots, so we do have weaker winds in the forecast. 1 meter wave heights, that's what we're expecting. And then for offshore areas, the winds are out of the southeast, also at 10 knots. Wave heights reach 1 meter. Now, the next few days has weak winds across the area. We're expecting them to be variable, could be as low as about 5 knots, getting up to as high as 10 knots. And this is on the weekend, on Saturday and Sunday. Also on Monday, variable winds of 5 to 10 knots. The wave heights don't get past a meter. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:26 and at 6:32 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.